Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn and write math sentences. So let's get started. Number 1. Sky. The color of sky is blue. Number 2. Bus. I go to school by bus. Number 3. Tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Number 4. Birds. Birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. Number 5. Copy. This is my copy. Number 6. Market. I go to market with my father. Number 7. Family. There are 6 members in my family. Number 8. Brother. My brother's name is Pandu. Number 9. Mango. Mango is my favorite fruit. Number 10. Rose. Rose is a beautiful flower. Thanks for watching students. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Bye bye.